Some hair in my eye. Go wash your hands. Can't wait to be done with this video. Hey beauties, what's up? So as y'all can see, I am a blonde bombshell, okay, channeling my inner Beyonce, and I'm here to tell y'all the secret to getting this beautiful blonde hair. So if you're interested, just go ahead and stay tuned. So actually there is no trick. This hair comes just like this, okay? It is 1B/27, which is like a cute little ombre color or whatever, and literally didn't have to do any color into it. It just came exactly like this. And that is one thing I like about Wiggins hair. They have like different colors and stuff. So if you want to jump into some fun colors but don't feel like bleaching and watercoloring and all that stuff, girl, they got the hair for you. This video is sponsored by Wiggins hair. They sent me these 3 bundles of 14-inch along with the 14-inch lace closure. The hair was freaking bomb. Okay, I haven't got like pre-colored hair in so long, like since the hair store hair days. And when I say this hair was just so pretty and so soft and just so much more beautiful than I remember pre-colored hair. So the closure was definitely one of the basic type of closures where you had to do a little customization, bleaching the knots, all that good stuff. So if you are interested in Wiggins hair, now would be a good time to buy because they are having a good sale. Y'all already know Black Friday is the time. Okay, Black Friday is the time to go ahead and buy your bundles, buy electronics. Okay, it's just time to get your life because of the sales. Started by bleaching the knots on my closure, and that's always the first step in customization when you're customizing either a frontal or a closure. So I went ahead and washed the hair with my awesome Mega Moist shampoo and conditioner. I did wash it. It did have that little factory smell. So I washed and conditioned the hair, and it was just freaking pretty. Like, it was just so soft and so luscious. Like, oh, look at them golden locks. Like, girl, just so pretty. So next I started to make my wig, which I did not record, but I did want to show y'all this little tip when you sewing a wig together. So I like to take my track that I'm doing and I pin it down on the end point of that track, and I just stick it in. That way it'll help that track to just stay up there while I'm sewing. So after the wig was all done, of course you want to cut out that black part of the wig where your frontal or your closure is. So next I went on to customize the closure, and basically what I did was spray it down with water. This just makes it easier to pluck the hairs out. You always want to start by spraying it down. You will be struggling, girl. I separated those baby hairs from the rest, and I started to pluck behind the baby hairs, and this just creates a really natural look. You want to make sure, even though it's a closure, you still want to make sure your closure is laid and slayed and hairline looking just like a frontal. So I went on and just plucked that hair out, and in this clip I did go ahead and put a side part in, and I ended up plucking the part. I ended up opting for a middle part, but I actually did not have to even pluck my part. It was cool how it was, but in this clip I did pluck the part and all that good stuff. So after that I just cut down the baby hairs and kind of swooped them out just to kind of see how the closure would be looking and stuff like that. So next I went ahead and took my blow dryer to the hair just to get that closure dried. Everything else was pretty much air dried while I was making the wig, but since I did spray down that closure, I just needed to, you know, get that dry, get the part set into place and all that good stuff. Next we move on to the fun part, how I got this cute little style, you know what I'm saying, just like a little basic layered cut with curls. And I just think this is such a classy, like, just, I feel like this is such a Christmas look. Like, you know, just you going to visit family and you just got like your nice cute little classy like cut, you know what I'm saying. I started by making my guideline at the bottom, just a straight line all the way across. Since I'm about to go in and do layers, I just go ahead and kind of angle the front to, you know, get that out the way. So yeah, after creating that guideline, I just like take sections, slices of the hair and pull that up and cut the hair to match the guideline so I can have some layers. Then I kind of like freestyle and just start to slither and cut whatever I think needs to be cut. And then I just decided I wanted shorter layers. So what I did was flip the wig upside down, so all the hair is just flowing downwards, and you'll see the hair go into like a V shape. To get like shorter layers, all you have to do is just cut, boom, straight across. So I took my little trimmer. I should have probably used my razors, it might have been easier, but I just took those trimmers and started to cut to match, basically matching that back section of the hair with all of the rest of the hair, and that's going to give you some short layers. And bam, girl, you got your layers. Okay, that easy. I should have just did that from jump, right? Yeah. So I just decided I wanted like some loose curls, so I just went in with my flat irons and did like body curls. So yeah, after you brush the curls out, you just get such a glamorous, fun, I just feel like it's a holiday look, you know, so you just get a fun, voluminous look. So yeah, the curls were just so juicy, so pretty. This hair was flawless. It was super soft and just really easy to curl, really easy to manage. Now was the really fun part, to put the wig on. I just slapped that baby on. It was perfect to my head. All I do now from this point is sculpt out my baby hairs again. Like I might have to trim a little bit more, or you know, just basically fix up my baby hairs. And then I went in and put powder on my part just to make that look more natural and make it blend in with my skin tone. So yeah, you guys, I was feeling myself, okay? Thought I was real cute with my little blonde wig. I'm just so loving this hair because like I said, it just comes packaged like this and you don't have to do anything to it. And the color is just so pretty. Like it's not orangey looking, it's not like dusty looking, but it's just like a perfect blonde color. It's like a super light honey blonde, but it's just like, it's perfect. Like I said, it's not too orangey, it's not brassy. It is like really pretty, like you colored it yourself, or like you went and got it colored or something. So yeah, I am really feeling Wiggins hair. This is my first time working with them. I can definitely say I'm happy. They have pretty affordable pricing, and like I said, they are having that sale, so make sure you go and check that out if you're interested. All their information will be down below in the description box. Once again, thank you Wiggins hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous hair. Got me feeling my style, Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll be back with another one. See y'all then.